Hello and welcome to this guide about how to make a summary report in Compass. You want to make sure that you have several data files from Compass with named peaks, and you want to make sure that those peaks are all correctly integrated before starting a summary report. So what you will do in Compass is click on File, New, and then New Summary Report. This display will now open, and now the first thing you want to do is add your method. The way of doing that is by going to variables and then click on this icon, open method file. I have an example method here. And then here below you can add variables. So click on add variable. And for this example, I'm going to use the variable area second. And here you can see that I have 4 integrated peaks, which are all selected. And now I just click on OK. Then if I go to processing, and here on top, if I go to edit and then add chromatogram, here I have 10 data files. So I will select those all and then open. And then make this big. And then if you go to this icon, results mode, and here you can see the results. So you can see the mean, the standard deviation, and the RSD. And then you also can click on the chart. So here you can also see if that's within your specs. And if you want to add another variable, you can just go back to variables and then add variables. You can edit the variables or you can delete a variable. So for example, if you want to add the variable retention time, you can add that by clicking on retention time. So you can see that now also those 4 peaks are selected here and then click on OK. Those will be now also displayed here, time of peak. And then if you go to processing and change the display to 8, then you can see that those are now all next to each other. So here you can see the time and here you can see the area of each peak. And if you want to make your summary report in Excel, you can do that by clicking on export. If you click on here and then select MS Excel 97 2000, and then you can open your file, and then here you can see that I'm in the triglyceride folder, and I'm gonna name it test. So okay, and then go to file and then export, and now it is exported to that folder. So if I open that folder now, you can see here that there is an Excel made. And now you can also make this your own way in Excel. So if I close this now and close this, then I can say if I want to save this now, I can go to File and then Save Summary and then save it as test. Save. And that's it.